Next is oxygen. How many electrons are in an oxygen atom?
8, sir.
We have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The first electron will go to the 1s. What about the next one? Over here. The next one over here. The next one over here, right? The next one over here. The next one over here. What about the next one?
Sa 2p gihapon, sir.
Bakit?
Ang p orbital makahold siya up to 6 electrons, sir.
Bakit 6 electrons? Diba? Based on the spin values, there can only be 2 value for spin. So how come we have 6 possible electrons that can occupy the p orbital?
Kay 3 po yung sub-level.
Kaya unstable yung mass, sir.
No.
Kuan man siya, sir, 2n ang kuan na.
Okay, so on this case, let's go back here. So for S, we only have one type of S, diba? So again, on this case, we have 2 electrons can occupy this one. Then for P, we have 2. Diba? Again, on each orbital, 2 electrons can have different spin. But as you see here, we have 3 different types of p orbitals. So overall, we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 electrons can occupy the p orbitals. Again, we have 3 types of p orbital. Then for the d orbital, how many electrons can occupy this one? 1, 2,
10.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 because again, we have 5 types of the orbitals, and then each orbital can hold up to 2 electrons with different spin, up spin and then the down spin. How about the f orbital?
14.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 2, that's 14. Okay, so again, in summary, the s orbital can hold up to 2 electrons. The p can occupy up to 6 electrons. The d can hold up to 10 electrons. Then the f can hold up to 14 electrons. That's also on your table of elements, right? Okay, where are we gonna? S up to 2, P up to 6, D up to 10, F up to 14. Okay, so right now we only have 2 in the 2P, so the next one should go in here. Then ang next one, it's also on the 2P, diba? Kasi we still have 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's write the electron configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p. What's
4.
the next? Okay, 2p4. Any questions so far? None. Next, calcium. How many electrons?
20.
Okay, it has 20 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The first 2 can occupy this one, right? The next one. The next we have the 2s. Then the next one over here. Three, 4, 5. Okay, 6 now na dere. The next electron, where can we find the next electron?
The 3s, sir.
The 3s. So here we have 1 and then the next one.
KS pa rin, sir.
PS pa rin. What about the next one?
Sa 13 po.
3p, 1, and then 2. The next one. Add up.
Sa
Same lang.
4.
Okay, we still have space, right? Because the p can hold up to 6 electrons. And then this one, and then this one. We have 6 na, so it's full ato ang 3p dere. The next one, where can we find the next one?
Sa 4S na, sir.
Right, so on this case, actually, before we go to the 3D, so this 3D, this D sublevel, it has more energy compared sa S orbital. So on this case, after 3p, we go first to 4s because 4s has a lower energy compared sa tuang 3d orbital. So in this case, just follow the line over here. After 3p, we'll go first to 4s because it has a lower energy compared to 3d. After 4s, we'll go to 3d. After 3d, we go to 4p, 5s, and so on. So just follow the line over here. We have 1, and then we have, no, wrong. 1, and then we have 2. I think we're good. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and then 4s, 4s2. Any questions so far?
None po, sir.
Next, arsenic. How many electrons are here?
33 po, sir.
33. 33, okay. Okay, let's write now. So just follow this one and then let's make it shorter. Let's write derecho. What's the first thing to write? 1s, 2.
S2.
What's next to S?
S2.
2p, 6, right? Right now we
3S2.
have 2, 4, 10. So pila pang kulang?
12.
23.
I feel
Kulang. Okay, after 2p6, we go to 3s. 3s, pila ka electrons? 2. After 3s, let's go to 3p. 3p
6.
what? 3p6. Let's stop muna. We have 2, 4, 10, 12, 18. Kulang pa, right? After 3p, the next one is
4S.
okay, 4s, 2.
2,
Okay, next. What's next? 3d.
3, 10.
10.
Okay, let's check muna baka we are sobra na. 2, 4, 10, 12, 18, 20, 30. Ano ba? 10, 12, 18, yeah, 30. Pila pang kulang?
3.
Okay, 3 pa.
3, sir.
After 3D, what's next?
Or P3, sir.
4,
30. 33, okay. 2, 4, 10, 12, 18, 20, 30, 33. Okay. So we are done with arsenic. Any questions so far?
None, sir.
Okay, so again, just follow this one over here. Then ang exponent, again, S up to 2, P up to 6, D up to 10, and then ang F up to 14. So just follow this one. It's actually easy lang to follow the diagram here. Let's discuss the concept of valence electrons. Valence electrons or electrons found on the outermost energy level of an atom. So these are the outermost electrons. Let's go back to lithium. So here we have the first energy level, then the second energy level. Which of the following is the outermost energy level? The first or the second energy level? Ang outermost, ang mas layo sa nucleus.
Ang second, sir.
Right? On this case, the second is the outermost energy level. And on this case, how many electrons are in the second energy level?
1, sir.
Right? On this case, lithium has 1 valence electrons. Again, valence electrons or electrons found on the outermost energy level. So lithium, 1 valence electron. Let's go to our boron. So these boron electrons occupy the first energy level and the second energy level. Again, which of this is the outermost energy level? The first or the second energy level? It's the second, diba? So in this case, the second is the outermost energy level. How many electrons are in the second energy level? Are you still there?
2, sir.
Lahat. Lahat sa second energy level.
3.
3, sir.
Right. On this case, we have 3 valence electrons. Again, lahat ng electrons outermost energy level are the valence electrons. So in this case, boron has 3 valence electrons. Let's go to the next one. Oxygen. Okay. How many valence electrons are here?
6, sir.
6.
Right, we have 6 valence electrons, 2 and then the 4. Next, calcium.
18.
How many energy levels are occupied here? We have the first energy level, the second,
21.
third, and then the fourth energy level. Which one is the outermost energy level? The first, second, third, or the fourth energy level? Which
The
one?
4.
The fourth energy level. How many electrons are in the fourth energy level?
2.
2. So in this case, we have 2 valence electrons. So calcium has 2 valence electrons. Again, just check lang which one is the outermost energy level and then count the total number of electrons. Next one. So these electrons of arsenic occupy the first, the second, the third, and then the fourth energy level. On this case, the fourth energy level is the outermost energy level. How many valence electrons are in arsenic?
3, sir.
5 po.
Correct, we have 5, right? On this case, we have 2 and then we have the 3. So overall, we have 5 valence electrons. Any questions so far?
Sir, unsay basehan nga na siya sa first, second, or third, fourth,
Anong
or so on?
number dere, di ba? These numbers are the energy levels 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this case, the highest energy level is the 4, di ba? In this case, the 4. So just look sa 4, sa 4 na fourth energy level. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Let's do another bit. Let's have krypton. That's 36 electrons. So krypton, 36 electrons. Okay, let's do the electron configuration first. What's the electron configuration for krypton?
1s.
2, 2s2, 2p6. What's next?
3s2.
3s.
What's next?
3p6.
What's next?
4S2.
10.
Let's check muna. 2, 4, 10, 12, 18, 20, 30. We still need 6. What's next after 3D?
4p6.
4p6.
Okay, 4p6. So 36 overall. Just check the superscript on this configuration. So again, just look on the numbers here. So this is the first energy level, kaning na 1, kani ang second energy level, kani ang nasa third energy level, apil kaning 3, dere. Then sa 4, we have this one and then this one. Then how many valence electrons are here?
8, sir.
We have 8 valence electrons. So
Yes,
just
sir.
the big numbers here, these are part of the fourth energy level. Overall, 2 plus 6, that's equal to 8. So this one has 8 valence electrons.